Hello, and welcome to today's session. In this lesson, we will focus on Learning Outcome 3, understanding quality risks inherent in data and how to mitigate or resolve these. We'll explore how data quality impacts decision-making, the key risks that can compromise data, and practical strategies to ensure our data is reliable for accurate analysis. Data quality is vital for effective decision-making and analysis. Poor quality can lead to incorrect conclusions and inefficiencies. This section outlines key risks and mitigation strategies. Understanding these risks is essential for maintaining data integrity. Let's delve into the core data quality risks. Inaccurate data contains errors, misrepresenting real-world entities. This leads to incorrect analysis and poor decision-making. It is crucial to identify and correct these inaccuracies. Techniques like data validation and cleaning are effective. Let's look at how these methods work. Incomplete data lacks required values or records. This causes gaps in analysis and unreliable conclusions. Filling these gaps is essential for accurate insights. Data validation and regular audits help address these issues. Let's explore their application in more detail. Inconsistent data is non-uniform across sources or datasets. This leads to confusion and errors in interpretation. Standardization techniques help maintain consistency. Implementing common formats and taxonomies is key. Let's see how these practices are applied. Duplicate data results in redundant copies, skewing analysis. Removing duplicates ensures data integrity and efficiency. Deduplication tools and unique identifiers are crucial. These methods streamline data management. Let's understand their implementation. Outdated data leads to decisions based on obsolete information. Regular updates keep data current and relevant. Real-time integration further enhances accuracy. These practices ensure timely decision-making. Let's explore their benefits. Incorrectly formatted data causes processing errors. Ensuring data conforms to required standards is essential. Validation and standardization techniques address formatting issues. These practices enhance data usability. Let's examine their application. Data integration issues arise when combining sources. This leads to inconsistent and unreliable datasets. ETL processes and data mapping mitigate these challenges. Quality checks ensure seamless integration. Let's delve into these strategies. Data validation and cleaning ensure accuracy before analysis. Validation rules check data entries for errors. Cleaning tools detect and correct inaccuracies. Regular audits maintain data quality. Let's see these practices in action. Standardization ensures consistent data formats across sources. Using common formats and taxonomies is essential. This practice enhances data compatibility and interpretation. Standardization is crucial for reliable analysis. Let's explore its implementation. Deduplication removes redundant data copies. This ensures data integrity and efficiency. Tools and unique identifiers facilitate this process. Deduplication is vital for accurate analysis. Let's examine how it's done. Regular updates keep data current and relevant. Real-time integration enhances accuracy. These practices ensure timely decision-making. Data updating is crucial for operational efficiency. Let's explore its benefits. Effective data integration combines different sources seamlessly. ETL processes and data mapping are key strategies. Quality checks ensure consistent datasets. Integration is essential for reliable analysis. Let's delve into these methods. Continuous monitoring ensures high data quality. Implementing metrics and audits is essential. This proactive approach prevents data issues. Monitoring enhances data reliability and usability. Let's explore these practices. Clean data is accurate, complete, and reliable. Dirty data leads to inefficiencies and errors. Maintaining clean data is crucial for decision-making. Understanding the impact of data quality is key. Let's compare clean and dirty data. Data quality errors impact analysis reliability. Understanding error causes and corrective actions is vital. This section explores accuracy and appropriateness errors. Implementing corrective measures enhances data quality. Let's delve into these errors. Corrective actions address data quality issues. These include choosing alternative sources and correcting discrepancies. Associated costs involve data acquisition and integration. The benefits of reliable data outweigh these expenses. Let's analyze these actions. Maintaining data quality requires ongoing investment. The benefits include enhanced decision-making and compliance. Accurate data leads to cost savings and customer satisfaction. Justifying these costs is crucial for organizational success. Let's explore the justification. In conclusion, ensuring high-quality data is essential for reliable analysis and informed decision-making. By recognizing potential risks and implementing effective strategies, organizations can enhance data integrity, achieving accurate, complete, and consistent information that drives better outcomes. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your time.